Hey everyone, welcome to our channel. In this video, we'll be guiding you through how to disable Facebook notifications on your Android device. Facebook alerts can frequently interrupt your time and disrupt your day, so if you want to turn them off, sit back and relax while we walk you through the process step by step. To begin, open the Facebook app on your Android phone or tablet. You can find it on your home screen grid or in the app drawer. Once the app launches, tap the three horizontal lines in the top right corner. This will open the Facebook menu. Scroll through the menu and select Settings and Privacy. Next, choose Notification Settings. This will take you to the Notification Settings page, showing a list of notification types you can enable or disable. You will see options for notifications such as comments, friend requests, posts, messages, event reminders, profile updates, likes, mentions, and more. Any alerts that you do not wish to receive can be turned off. To disable a notification, simply tap the toggle switch next to it. The toggle will turn gray, indicating the notification has been turned off. After reviewing and toggling off the alerts you no longer wish to receive, click Save at the bottom of the page. Tapping Save will record your notification choices. Now Facebook will no longer disturb you with unwanted alerts. You can enjoy using Facebook at your leisure without interruptions. For an ad-free experience, notifications from suggested posts, recommendations, messages, and market research can also be disabled by toggling the switch next to each one. Your Facebook experience is now customized to your preferences, with only the alerts that matter to you. We hope this comprehensive tutorial was helpful in explaining how to disable notifications on your Android device. Please feel free to leave any questions or comments below regarding Facebook, apps, or any other topic. We are here to assist anytime you need help using technology. Remember to subscribe to our channel for more useful tips and tutorials. Thank you for watching. We appreciate you choosing us for helpful advice and content. Keep an eye out for more videos explaining how to customize apps and features on your devices. Have a great day, everyone. We're glad we could help you improve your experience.